What if I told you that in 2027, one person using AI could do the work of an entire agency, a designer, a copywriter, and a video editor all in one day? In this video, I will show you exactly how people will make money with AI in 2027, which tools actually matter, and what types of services will truly make you money. Let me tell you a quick story. Imagine a freelancer with no team, no office, and no expensive tools. They take a simple idea from a client and turn it into product descriptions, ad creatives, and even a short promotional video. The client does not pay for AI. The client pays for results, more clicks, more sales, and less wasted time. That is where the real opportunity is. The money is not in using AI. The money is in turning AI into something people are willing to pay for. Sell outcomes, not tools. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to sell AI itself. No one cares about the tool you use. People care about results. Instead of saying you use AI, position yourself as someone who solves real business problems faster and cheaper. In 2027, the most valuable services will include content creation, ad design, product descriptions, short-form videos, and automation. AI is no longer just a chatbot. It is becoming a real business tool. Canva AI Content Service. One of the easiest ways to start is by using Canva AI. With Canva AI, you can design thumbnails, social media posts, ads, and even full content packages in minutes. You can offer small businesses a monthly content service. For example, you can create 20 posts and 5 ads every month. Businesses do not want to learn design. They just want content that works. If you can deliver that quickly, you can charge for it. Shopify Magic Copywriting. Another powerful opportunity is Shopify Magic. This tool can generate product descriptions using just a title and a few keywords. You can offer services like rewriting product pages, optimizing online stores. Most online stores have weak product descriptions. That means they are losing money. You can fix that problem and get paid for it. Runway AI Video Creation. Video is one of the biggest opportunities in 2027. With tools like Runway, you can create videos without showing your face. You can make promotional videos, YouTube content, or short videos for social media. This allows you to work faster and cheaper than traditional video editors. Businesses always need video content. If you can provide it quickly, you have a valuable service. Use AI as your system. The real advantage is not just using AI. The real advantage is building systems with AI. You can use tools like ChatGPT to research, write scripts, generate ideas, and create workflows. This allows you to work faster and stay consistent. The people who win in 2027 will not just use AI. They will build systems that run with AI. Here is the most important thing to understand. In 2027, the real money comes from results, not tools. Do not try to do everything at once. Start with one simple service. You can choose content creation, product descriptions, video creation, or automation. Focus on one thing and get really good at it. The future will not replace people. It will reward the people who learn how to use AI better than everyone else. If you want to stay ahead of the biggest tech trends, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And comment the word AI if you want me to create a step-by-step guide on how to start from zero. The future is already here. You just need to take action.